Welcome to the BEAMBLASTER Basic Operation Training Session. We all know how unpleasant and difficult sandblasting can be. Today, we will confirm the intuitive process of working with the BEAMBLASTER to clean all stainless steel shields and dome parts of your anti-reflective coating chamber. Finally, no more trips for cleaning. With the part you need to clean, turn to your AR room installed BEAMBLASTER. Place the part on the rotary table and close the door of your cleaning chamber. Start the system, turn on the laser, and wait for it to boot. Once it's up, simply arm the laser using the Start Cleaning soft button. With your right hand, grab the laser gun. Adjust the position of the rotary table, double-click the laser gun trigger to unarm it, and start cleaning your part. Remember, the laser is hot, so do it with a steady speed. Do not go too slow to ensure you do not overheat the part. Readjust the position of the part during the cleaning process as needed. Feel free to stop, open the door, and move the part to the other side to access surfaces that would otherwise be hidden. When done, simply open the door. Vacuum heavy dust from the rotary table and the blasted part using the built-in vacuum cleaner. Disengage when ready and remember to put on your heat-resistant glove. The part you just cleaned is most likely too warm to be handled without it. When all of this is done, move the clean part out of the BEAMBLASTER's cleaning chamber and treat it with a spray of isopropyl alcohol, then wipe it with a clean rag. This will get rid of small dust particles that were too heavy for the HAPA system to lift and filter out of your chamber during the cleaning process. And that is it. Congratulations, you just saved lots of time on a trip to the sandblaster room, and your part is ready to be used again in next coating cycle.